10 real work from home jobs for 2020. As the coronavirus COVID-19 was declared a pandemic, businesses across the globe shut down their offices and transitioned their employees to remote work. Time magazine has even dubbed this as the world's largest work from home experiment. While employees hunker down in their newly thrown together home offices, one thing we might see from COVID-19 is how remote work can be successful on a large scale. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Just a few decades ago, the vast majority of work-at-home job opportunities were far from profitable, and before the dawning of the internet, it was much harder to sort through the scams and the real opportunity.
Only on News 5, we are digging into people who thought they landed a dream job, only to find out they were caught up in an international employment scam.
Some of the gotcha job offers from the past include check cashing schemes, mystery shopping, medical billing jobs that require you to purchase expensive computer software, and the craft making jobs that ask you to pony up the cash for materials before you get started. And let's not forget about the famous envelope stuffing scam that was nothing more than a pyramid scheme designed to siphon money from as many people as possible.
They asked her for cash.
The pay was supposed to cover the initial application fee plus the first part of training.
So she paid it. And Thomas says after she paid that money, when she came back to the building less than a week later for training, the receptionist told her the company had moved out.
As the old adage goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. But is it? In 2020 and beyond, the questionable work-at-home jobs are still out there, but improvements in technology and the birth of social media have ushered in a new wave of such jobs that are actually legitimate. A 2017 study from Upwork and Freelancers Union even predicted that more than half of the workforce will do freelance work in the next decade, citing the fact that nearly 50% of millennials are freelancing already. If you want to coast into the future with real skills that pay, check out these real work-at-home jobs for 2020 and beyond. All figures are quoted in United States currency. Before I go further, remember to subscribe to the Elite Jamaica Vlog channel, that's Elite Jamaica Vlogs. The link will be in the description below. That's a channel where you get a background of Elite Jamaica and you get to know me a little better. First, we take a look at virtual assistant. With so many businesses operating mostly or even completely online, it's no wonder that many hire virtual assistants to help keep them organized and complete administrative tasks. According to the International Virtual Assistants Association, these workers are independent contractors who, from a remote location, usually their home or office, support multiple clients in a variety of industries by providing administrative, creative, and technical services. Although virtual assistant jobs vary drastically, tasks can include composing and responding to emails, creating and distributing business-related documents, responding to media business inquiries, writing and creating content, and more. Check out virtual assistant jobs at sites such as Upwork.com and Zertual.com. While pay varies, virtual assistants average around $26,350 a year, with the top percentage making $43,000. However, what you'll earn depends on who you work for and the level of skill required for your daily tasks. Number 2. Medical transcriptionist. Although many medical transcriptionists work for hospitals or physicians' offices, most are able to work at home and at a time or place of their choosing. Since their task involves transcribing recorded medical dictation, a computer, desk, and earpiece are generally the only requirements after completing a post-secondary medical transcriptionist program. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, medical transcriptionists earn a national median wage of $34,770 in May of 2018, or $16.72 an hour. Although many medical transcriptionists are self-employed, many find jobs through their local hospital, physician, or community college or vocational school. Number 3. Translator. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, most translators do their work at home and often under tight deadlines. Although some need a bachelor's degree, the most important requirement for translators is, of course, fluency in at least 2 languages. As the BLS notes, around 22% of translators were self-employed in 2018. The majority were spread among these industries: professional, scientific, and technical services. 33% state, local, and private educational services 18%, hospitals 8%, and the government 8%. The national median wage for this career was $49,930 in 2018, although the top 10% of workers earned an average of $90,610. Look for job postings for translators on sites like Upwork.com. Number 4. Web developer. It's fairly easy to build your own website if you take advantage of the many free learning opportunities online. However, much of the population isn't equipped to build their own site or don't have the time, which is why so many people make a living building websites and blogs for others. According to the BLS, around 16% of web developers were self-employed in 2018, with the mass majority able to work at home or anywhere with a laptop and speedy internet connection. Even better, the national median wage for web developers was $69,430 in 2018, with the top 10% earning an average of $124,480. And you typically don't need an advanced degree to begin working in this field. All you need is some post-secondary education, applicable experience, and a portfolio of successful sites you've built and managed. There are even intensive coding boot camps designed to teach programming skills in just a few short months. Number 5. Travel agent. Although the demand is expected to decrease over the next decade, the opportunities are still there for travel agents who can harness the internet to earn clients to help them plan their adventures. According to the BLS, job prospects may be best for travel agents who offer expertise in certain regions of the world, have experience planning tours or adventures, or who focus on group travel. Around 11% of travel agents were self-employed in 2018, but the vast majority of the rest of them worked in the travel arrangement and reservation services industry. Travel agents earned a national median wage of $38,700 in 2018. Number 6. Freelance writer. More than ever, writers are needed to formulate news articles, create content, and come up with creative ideas that fill the pages of nearly every site on the internet. And although many bigger sites have in-house writers, a growing number of sites outsource their content and hire freelance writers and content creators. Writing experience is very helpful, but what you really need to get started are drive, ambition, and the ability to find a unique angle on events that happen every day. Sites like Upwork.com list online freelancing positions, as does Freelancer.com and the Media Bistro. To get hired, you likely need to have a portfolio of solid work, or at least some writing samples you can include with your resume. While writing fees vary depending on the job and the freelancer, many writers earn at least $150 per article, and some earn up to $1,500 per finished piece. The BLS notes that writers earned a median wage of $62,170 nationally in 2018, although the top 10% of workers earned around $121,670. Number 7. Social media manager. Almost every big business has gotten on the social media bandwagon as a means to reach their customers directly and without paying heavily for television, print, or radio ads. But not every big business has someone to manage their social media accounts, which is why more individuals have begun marketing themselves as social media managers and helping businesses grow their online following and expand their reach. Although very little data is available for this work-at-home job, since it is relatively new, thousands of listings for social media managers can be found on sites like careerbuilder.com, simplyhire.com, and upwork.com. If you have a demonstrated command of social media and a sizable following, you might even be able to get started by reaching out to companies directly and asking if they need help. According to Glassdoor, social media managers average $50,473 per year. Number 8. Data entry personnel. A wide range of businesses need workers to enter various data into their systems, whether that data is used to track inventory or shipments, create business plans, or measure performance or output. And since a computer and typing skills are the most important requirements for this job, many data entry workers are able to work at home. and on a schedule that fits their lives. According to the BLS, data entry workers earned a national median wage of $33,740 in 2018, although the top 10% earned more like $48,010. Since many data entry jobs are at-home jobs, you can always find dozens of data entry jobs postings on sites like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and SimplyHired.com, as well as dozens of others. Number 9. Call Center Representative. Many businesses need workers who can answer the phone at all hours, assist customers, and process orders to deal with returns. But since more businesses are operating online, a growing number of these jobs are going to customer service workers who work at home. Being an at-home call center representative requires a computer and may require specific software or equipment. A great phone voice helps as well, as does any experience in customer service, data entry, retail sales, or management. Dozens of sites list job openings for call center representatives, including Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and SimplyHired.com. However, you may also find listings offered by local businesses in your local newspaper. While it is hard to find exact pay for call center representatives who work at home, the BLS says that these workers typically earn a base pay of around $33,750 per year. Number 10. Blogger. Becoming a blogger is unlike any other work-at-home job in that you have to show up and build it yourself. Even worse, the vast majority of blogs make $0 for years as they grow and become established. In that sense, blogging isn't much of a job at all. However, there's a lot of potential for writers who are able to build an audience, grow their site, and find a way to monetize it and start earning an income. Some of the ways bloggers make money include affiliate advertising, sponsored posts, Google AdSense, and product sales. According to Glassdoor, established bloggers make $32,934 a year. Even better, owning a blog can be an inexpensive way to start your own business, with domains costing an average of $12 per year and web hosting costing as little as $7,000 from home jobs. Now, beside those listed above, other websites that offer job posting include Monster.com, Indeed.com, Guru.com, iFreelance.com, and Freelanced.com. When searching a traditional job site such as Monster or Indeed, use keywords like telecommute or work from home and enter anywhere or remote in the location field. When you start looking for work-at-home jobs, it's crucial that you create a complete resume. And if you have done any online work, it might help to provide links to that work. References help too, especially if you can list anyone who has overseen work you have done in any of these fields. Another important thing to consider if you are a freelancer or remote worker is picking the right business credit card. As a freelancer, your money might need to go a little further than big companies. Make sure you compare each business credit card's cashback, annual fee, and introductory periods terms to get the best card for you. Working as a freelancer also means your taxes are a little different. In addition to a W-2, you'll be required to file a number of other forms, depending on what type of work you do. So you ask yourself, is this work from home job a scam? Even though there are many legitimate work at home opportunities, the scams of years ago still exist. But it's up to you to find them and steer clear. And it's not always easy to tell the real deal from a scam. According to the National Consumers League and fraud.org, there are some steps to take and signs to watch out for when you're starting your search for a work at home job. Research, research, research. It's important to know exactly whom you're working for. When you find a job posting you're interested in, take special care to research the company that's hiring. Check them out with the Better Business Bureau and conduct a web search for any complaints or less than stellar reviews. Ask for references. Any company that's hiring workers to work at home might even have other people working for them as well. Ask how many and find out if you're able to contact any of them. If they're unwilling to provide references or contact information, it might not be a good sign. Think long and hard before shelling out any money. Some work-at-home jobs will require you to purchase materials or equipment to get started, and while that doesn't mean they are not legitimate, it should be a red flag. If you're asked to pay for equipment, make sure you understand what you're buying and from whom. Also ask about the return policy for your equipment and if your new gig doesn't work out. Many online job platforms such as Upwork.com also have their own system for recognizing and removing job scams. According to the site, many of them involve employers who try to pay workers outside the site's payment system and engage in some sort of check or money order fraud. Working at home is a dream for many, and thanks to technology, that dream is coming true for more people than ever. But if you want to work at home, you'll need to research possibilities and develop the skills required for many of these jobs. So, what are you waiting for? With the right skills, you could be working at home in 2020. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Also remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica Vlogs. That's a new vlog channel that has recently been started. That's Elite Jamaica Vlogs. The link will be in the description below. I am Alex. Bless.
Welcome to Jamaica. One love in Jamaica. Respect every time.
One love to Jamaica. Peace and love, universe.
I wanna love you and treat you right.